Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are my dog's new favorite treats. They are freeze-dried chicken treats from Pupford. They are the perfect size for training, but also just for any time because they're pretty healthy. I love how they don't have that many ingredients. It's mainly just chicken. They're also very lightweight. So let me show you one. So these are very tiny. I like the size. You can even make them smaller. When training, they don't need to have a huge treat every time they do something good. Since they are so lightweight and like airy, it's okay if they have a little bit more. And my dog just loves these. Let me show you. As soon as he sees the treat come out, he is on his best behavior, following all the commands. He loves these so much, he'll do any trick I want. So there he goes with the high five, the spin, and the sit. And here he is crunching away. So as you can see, we're really happy with these treats. I highly recommend them just because they are delicious and they are also very healthy, and that is my point of view.